Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Small and Spice by Victoria. On today's video, I will show you how I cooked this soup, bitter leaf soup and tomato puree. This is actually my mom's style of cooking. Whenever my mom doesn't want to cook the basic or the normal bitter leaf soup that we know, she just think, okay, let me just do something different. So my mom is someone that is very, very creative when it comes to kitchen or cooking. So it's very, very good. She knows what to put, one or two things to add up to make a good meal. So here I'm recreating her recipe. This is her type of soup. I learned this soup from my mom. So I'm cooking bitter leaf soup and with tomato puree. Here I'm cutting the bitter leaf from the backyard. You know, this bitter leaf is from the backyard, just around the house. So I got enough to cook this soup. Okay. So after cooking now, I will start squeezing it. So this is here I am squeezing it. This pattern or style of squeezing bitter leaf can be a little bit strange to some people, especially from Enugu, Imo, Anambra. This is not their style of cooking bitter leaf. Normally, when they get their own, they tend to put it in the sun so that the leaf can fall a little bit. And with the water will kind of shrink. So when they start washing it, it come out like in a longer leaf, so it doesn't crush like the way we do. So this is style of squeezing bitter leaf is from people from Abia, especially in Ngwa. They like this how they squeeze the bitter leaf. They don't eat the normal Anambra, Enugu, Imo style of cooking. So here now I am washing the bitter leaf or squeezing it. So I'm going to squeeze that it will crush, that it will come into a smaller, tiny pieces. So this is how we squeeze our own bitter leaf. So I am squeezing the bitter leaf. Okay. Alright. So please watch this video to the end. Like and subscribe to my channel. Also leave your comment in the comment section. So can you see now I'll add a little oil to douse or to stop the bitter leaf from foaming, because if I don't add this oil, if I don't put a droplet of oil inside it will continue to foam, that I may not be able to get a good squeeze. So I add a little droplet of oil. It will help stop the bitter leaf from foaming completely, that I'll have to wash through without it foaming. All right, so here now can you see now that it's actually reduced the foaming. It will not foam at all to the end of squeezing this bitter leaf. So I give it a good squeeze. Normally in Anambra, let me also mention it that some part of the Igbo or some part of the southeast will not actually squeeze it to the extent that it will not be bitter. So in my own state and in my own town, we squeeze that you will not find a bitterness at all in it. But the good thing that some people, that's especially those states I mentioned, Anambra, Enugu, Imo, they squeeze that you will still find that bitter taste, but we don't actually do it like that. So here I'm giving it the final wash. Okay, this is it now. Can you see? So I'm giving it a final wash. I'm squeezing the remaining water inside it out, so the bitter leaf is getting ready or is ready for cooking. This is it. So this is how it comes. Okay, this is how it comes. This is how it is. Now I'm getting my tomatoes, my pepper. I added locust beans. I also added crayfish to this soup. Okay, and onion. Normally you don't add onion to bitter leaf soup. Nobody adds onion to bitter leaf soup. Like I said, if you want to cook the normal, the Igbo type bitter leaf or the Anambra or Enugu type bitter leaf, you don't add onion to it. I don't think so, except if you use onion to boil the protein, but not to the soup, no. So like I said, this is my mom's style of cooking. So this is my mom's style. I actually recreated my mom's soup. Okay, because I was actually thinking of what to do this week. And I said, okay, why not just cook my mom's style of soup? So I cook my mom's style of bitter leaf. So whenever she's tired of eating the regular bitter leaf soup, she dives into it. This is how she cooks it. There's another style my mommy cooks, so I also bring it to this video very soon. So please watch at the end of this video and tell me if you have come across this kind of bitter leaf soup ever somewhere, because I don't think the only place I knew I have seen them cook cook bitter leaf, not actually like soup. They like you cook it like a foriro, like the southwest. They cook it like foriro. That's the only first time I saw that they can actually make with bitter leaf a foriro, and it actually came out good. It was nice. It was delicious. I think I saw that in Osun State. They eat it a lot. Bitter leaf. They make it a foriro. They add it to their stew to eat amala or any other thing, but. Normally cooking bitter leaf with tomato puree, I have not seen it anywhere. So I think my mommy got this. Okay, now I'm adding the oil to the pot. So after adding the oil, now I'll let the oil sizzle and add the tomato puree. See, this is the tomato puree. So I actually grinded it at the grinding mill. So this is the tomato puree I'm adding. You may be wondering who cooks bitter leaf with tomato puree. Please watch to the end of this video and you will see how this soup actually came out. My mom's recipe. Okay, so I have added the tomato puree to the pot. I will allow it to cook for some seconds before I add my fish. I use kote for this soup. Kote fish. This is mackerel, they call it. I don't know whether it's mackerel. I'm not too comfortable with names of fish. I'm actually going to learn because of these videos I do. So now I added the fish. You can see the fish inside. Sorry, I didn't show you where I added the fish. So I use the fish. You can see this fish inside already. I added the fish. That's the only thing I use, fish. Okay. I only use fish. So I added the fish to it to allow it to cook for some seconds. Like for some minutes, because I actually have to make the fish soup. So I add my always preferred favorite seasoning, chicken flavor. This chicken flavor, they give me flavor. Honestly, I love this chicken flavor. Chicken flavor and no, they're my best. Okay, I'm not marketing anybody, please. Okay, so here I've added the seasoning and the salt. All right, next thing I'll add now is to add my bitter leaf to it, my squeeze bitter leaf to it. So please watch to the end of this video, subscribe to my channel, like, and please and give your comments. Please give me your comment about this soup. If you have seen anywhere where this kind of soup is prepared, especially in the southeast, please, the southeast, if you have seen anywhere where this kind of bitter leaf is cooked, please let me know in the comment section what you think about this soup. If it's something that you can cook, if you can cook it or you have seen it somewhere cooked in the southeast or any other place, please let me know in the comment section. So I'm adding the bitter leaf now. Okay, so this is a bitter, because I have not seen anyway. So I'm adding the bitter leaf to the soup. Okay, so after this now I will give it a very good yes, so I stayed. All right, the soup is almost ready. You can enjoy the soup with rice. You can actually eat this soup. You can use this to eat rice. Any other swallow of your choice. Okay, you can use to eat rice and other toilets of choice. I can eat rice with this. So if you can eat rice with this, please also let me know in the comment section. Okay, the soup is almost ready. So I leave it to cook for some seconds again before I finally turn off the fire. All right, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Please subscribe to my channel, like and comment, and please watch the video to the end. So here the soup is ready. Here it is. So it is ready. So I will eat this food with fufu. Please, for more videos, subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Tell me what you feel about this soup in the comment section. I would really appreciate your comments. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Until then, stay good and have a blessed weekend. Bye and thanks for watching. Chop, 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 chop. Ẹ ṣé o.